All right, today we're going to learn how to do two-point perspective. So with two-point linear perspective, you will use two vanishing points. So we're going to start out with a horizon line. Okay, like so. I would do it in the middle of your paper. I'm going to place one vanishing point on the right-hand side and place one vanishing point over here on the left-hand side. Your vanishing points do have to be on your horizon line. I would space them out so you have room in the middle to add our cubes, okay? So two-point perspective is a little bit different than one-point perspective. If you remember, with one-point perspective, we started out with a square or a rectangle shape and then connected those corners to our single vanishing point. With two-point, we're actually going to start with a vertical line. I'm gonna make a vertical line about 1 or 2 inches here in the middle for our first cube. We're going to connect the top and bottom of that line to both vanishing points. So I'm going to start with the left one here. So I connect the bottom of that line to my left vanishing point. I'm going to connect the bottom of my line to my right vanishing point. I'm also going to connect the top of that line to the left vanishing point and the top of that line to my right vanishing point. Okay, so you should have something like this. Remember, this was our original line. Now we need to add parallel lines. So I'm going to add a parallel line to the left of my original. The parallel line will go between that top line and the bottom line we just drew. So it's a short segment. Now I need to add a vertical line that is parallel to the right side here. Again, it goes in between that top and bottom line. Okay, so parallel lines, there should be one to the left and one to the right of your original. Last step with two-point linear perspective, we're going to crisscross. So I'm going to line my ruler up with this line and crisscross it to my opposite vanishing point like this. Line my ruler up with the vanishing point, line it up with this line, hold this down, connect. Okay, this is going to create the top of that cube and do the same thing to this side. So this parallel line will crisscross to my opposite vanishing point, in this case the one on the right. Okay, at this point you will erase the guidelines and repeat.